You're about to make a decision. Right now, your brain isn't just thinking, it's time traveling. Every action you take, every sensation you feel, isn't a reaction to the present. It's a prophecy. You don't live in reality. You live in your brain's best guess of what comes next. Welcome to the most shocking truth about your mind. You are a prediction machine. Right now, you feel like you're experiencing the world as it happens. But that's an illusion, a beautifully constructed one. Here's why. There's a critical 80 to 100 millisecond delay between something happening and you becoming consciously aware of it. Light hits your retina, sound vibrates your eardrum. That information needs time to travel through neural pathways and be processed. In that tiny gap, your brain doesn't wait passively, can't afford to. Instead, it makes a calculated guess. It predicts what is happening right now, based on what happened a moment ago. What you experience as the present moment is actually a slightly outdated prediction that has already been validated. This is the core idea of predictive processing. Your brain's primary job isn't to process endless sensory data from scratch. That would be overwhelming and slow. Instead, it runs on a top-down model. It constantly generates a simulation of the world, a best guess of what's out there. This guess flows from higher-level areas of your neocortex down to your sensory systems. It says, given the context, you are likely seeing a friend's face, hearing your name, feeling the weight of your phone. This prediction is then compared with the actual delayed sensory input coming bottom up. If the input matches the prediction, perfect. The brain confirms its model, and you experience a seamless reality. This system is incredibly efficient. It saves energy by focusing not on what's expected, but on what's unexpected. So, what happens when the prediction is wrong? This is where prediction error comes in, the single most important signal in your nervous system. When the sensory data doesn't match the brain's guess, an error signal shoots back up the hierarchy. That feeling of surprise, the jarring moment when you misjudge the weight of a suitcase you think is heavy but is empty, when you miss a step or hear a strange noise in the night, that's prediction error. Your brain has two options when this happens. First, it can immediately update its model. Ah, that suitcase is light. That's learning. Second, it can command you to seek more information. Your eyes dart, your head turns. This is called active inference. You move to make the world match your predictions better. Every mistake, every surprise, every moment of learning is driven by this error signal. This predictive engine doesn't just shape what you see and hear. It fundamentally controls how you move. Think about catching a ball. Your brain doesn't painstakingly calculate the ball's trajectory in real time and then command your muscles. Instead, it predicts the sensory outcome of a successful catch. The feel of the ball in your hand, the sight of it landing in your glove. It then sends that prediction down, and your motor system works unconsciously to fulfill that prophecy. Your movement is the brain making its prediction come true. This explains the yips in sports or clumsiness when you're overly conscious. You're interfering with the predictive loop by injecting conscious doubt. This framework revolutionizes how we understand social interaction. Theory of mind. Your ability to understand others is prediction. When you talk to someone, your brain is running a model of them. It predicts how they'll react to your joke, your news, your question. Your entire conversation is a dance of mutual prediction and error correction. Empathy is the accuracy of your predictive model of another person's inner state. Misunderstandings and social anxiety often stem from faulty predictions. Your brain is forecasting negative social outcomes based on past errors. Understanding this gives you power. First, to learn faster. Seek the sweet spot of prediction error. If a task is too easy, there's no error, no need to update. If it's impossible, the error is too large to process. Find challenges that consistently generate manageable surprise. That's where growth happens. Second, to manage anxiety. Anxiety is often the brain's overprediction of threat, stuck in a loop of forecasting danger. Cognitive behavioral therapy works by consciously challenging and updating those catastrophic predictions. Third, for creativity, innovation is the deliberate violation of your own brain's predictions. It's asking, what if my assumption is wrong? It's seeking the error that leads to a new model. This leads to a profound conclusion about consciousness itself. What you experience as the solid external world is, in a very real sense, a controlled hallucination. It's the brain's best, continually updated guess about the causes of its sensory inputs. Reality is a negotiation between expectation and evidence. You are not a passive camera recording the world. You are an active storyteller, writing the narrative of your experience a fraction of a second before you live it. You are living in the future. Your present is a reconstructed past, built on a prediction. This isn't a flaw. It's a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering. The power lies in knowing that your predictions aren't destiny. They are hypotheses. Test them, challenge them, seek the errors that force you to grow. Your mind is the ultimate fortune teller, and you hold the crystal ball. Want to master this skill? To hack your learning, calm your anxiety, and unlock creativity? This is just the beginning. We're exploring the brain's deepest secrets every week. The frontier of your own consciousness is waiting. Subscribe now. Predict what you'll discover next.